Yo, what up? I wanted to make a quick video about who I am and talk about a little bit about what I want to do with this channel. I don't want to make it too long, but essentially, I am a fourth year computer science major at Cal State Long Beach, and I've been working as a web developer for about 4 years also. I started off when I was a freshman in community college. I got the position through referral, and so I was very fortunate to get that early on. But yeah, I've been developing for about 4 years now. Um, and what I kind of want to do with this channel a bit is, I don't know, I've talked to friends and kind of different people, and they all kind of tell me I have decent takes in different areas of computer science in general. By no means am I an expert, but I think I could help people maybe find a path or in some sort of way figure out the problem that or solve the problem that they're looking to solve. So yeah, so I plan to make this YouTube channel a way to kind of first try to help people discover the passion for computer science, and then second, probably help people solve certain problems or inform people on certain things. And then third, get my communication skills up. So one of the things that I lack on heavy is being able to speak. Um, I mumble a lot, or I say certain words that just kind of filler text. And so I'm not sure why that is. I think that's probably because um, I speak faster than I think, or vice versa. I think faster than I speak. I don't know, but I hope that doesn't like throw anyone off. But essentially, yeah. So that's what I plan to do with this channel. I'm really going to post random things, like anything in tech space. I am going to post like whatever I feel like I want to talk about. Uh, but for the most part, I'll try to keep the videos under 10 minutes, hopefully. I hate long videos because I don't have time to watch long videos. And so I like short content. So that's what I plan on doing. Every video coming out very, very short. Um, and so that's what I plan on doing. Yeah. And as for my experience, like things that I use on the day to day, I kind of have a tag list here. Uh, I'm also experimenting. I've been watching this guy on YouTube, uh, and they've been kind of like saying, oh, kind of highlighting some of the things that you do, but sounding corny about it. It kind of doesn't work well. And so I've been kind of trying to get away from that. But one of the things I still keep is kind of my skill set or what I think that I've touched before, but regardless of whether I'm experienced or not. And so some of the things I've touched, right, just so you guys understand where I'm coming from in terms of like my software stack, and things I've touched professionally as well for the past 4 years are things like TypeScript, Vue, Nuxt. I've messed with C++, not professionally, but I've had a quite experience with C++ for the last like 3 years or so. PHP professionally, Python professionally, React not professionally, but I definitely have touched it. Java not professionally, Tailwind professionally, Docker professionally, Bootstrap professionally. So, anyways, I don't want to like list all the things that I've touched, but yeah, you can see my list here. And so this is kind of the area I'm going to be tackling. And so if anyone wants any expertise in that areas or these type of areas, then I'll definitely subscribe or whatever. And so, yeah, hopefully I can help out anyone in essence and just like hopefully that works out. Thanks, guys.